report of the harassment.
1226 en route.
In Eagle County, Colorado, Deputy David Dempsey is on a harassment call unlike any other.
So we just got a call about a chicken attacking cars on the 700 block of Broadway. That's in Eagle PD's territory, but it's just too good to pass up, so we're gonna go check it out and see what's going on with this, with the Angry Bird situation in Eagle. This is the chicken that's been attacking cars, they said.
Deputy Dempsey joins Officer Herrera on scene.
We just don't want it to get hurt, so we're gonna just chase it around, I guess. This should be good. Do you want me to stop traffic? I don't know what he's gonna do when he catches it. Hey, chicken! He's right here.
He's gonna come up right to you. Ready?
Yep. He's throw a snowball. Cover my eyes.
Yeah.
There's no training for this in the academy. He's out.
I'm the chicken expert here.
Oh yeah?
He claims he can catch a chicken.
He's under here.
He's right under the middle.
We've been able to push him out. He's just either.
Where are you gonna put him when you go?
That's his problem. So the call came in that it was attacking cars. So just be careful. It might be an uncooperative chicken. So
It's right in front, up by that front tire. You could probably reach it. The front.
the front tire.
No, right there.
Put him in your cage or what?
An expert on seeing that. If we can just have animal control respond with the cage, that'd be great.
Chicken expert. I was gonna call one in custody.
Definitely one for the books. Huh?
It sounds like they had a couple of calls into 911 about it. I think all the cars are gonna survive probably.
Cool. Thanks a lot for keeping it up. So we're gonna name this guy Angry Bird. We just wanted to get it just to make sure that he doesn't get hit. So now we got animal control on scene. We're gonna hopefully put him in a cage and find his home.
Every shift, we never know what we're gonna end up doing. It's not a job, it's an adventure.
Back northeast of the mountains in Grand County, Sergeant Reed is still trying to lure the suspect out of his house and arrest him.
What we have